So one of the types of objects that you can add inside of Pixlr Designer are frames. So to access frames, you can go around over here on the left side and click on frames. If you don't have access to it while you're working with some other objects, simply click outside, then you get the arrange option where you can bring in frames as well. So if I were to go around and click on frame right here, then what you can do is you can select out the shape of the frame that you like. Let's say, for example, you can go around and select this shape, click on it, click outside, and the frame is applied right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. You can go around and transform it right here. You can rotate it, and you can just disable the aspect ratio right here. So it's like this. You can go around and resize the frame according to how you want. The use of the frame is to add in an image to it. So to add in an image, you need to go around and click on set image and select an image that you want. Let's say, for example, I go in, select this image and click on open, and now you can see that this image is inside this particular frame right here. And that is how frames work inside of Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.